An international cryptocurrency exchange called KuCoin has announced that its NFT ETF trading zone would debut on July 29. For more than 20 million customers, the new offering intends to increase NFT asset liquidity and decrease the investment requirement for blue-chip NFTs. With the introduction of the NFT ETF, KuCoin becomes the first centralized cryptocurrency exchange to support these products. KuCoin is also the first market participant to release an ETF product with a USDT dominant composition that identifies certain underlying blue-chip NFT assets. A wider variety of investors looking to purchase blue-chip NFTs will have easier access to top NFTs thanks to the new trading zone. The KuCoin NFT ETF trading zone will first market 5 NFT ETFs covering the underlying securities of Hibake, Hipunks, Hysen 33, Hycoda, and Hines 4 in association with Fracton Protocol. Contact Ixiono to know more.